Hey, it's Monster Rips Kid, and by the way, I'm using my camera that I used in the first episode of Monster Rips. See? Same old camera. It's not that very a great camera, but at least it's something. So, I'm going to try some burping today. My burping is kind of thumbs down a little bit today. And look, you still look terrible. So that's all we have for today. Please subscribe.
And check out our channel.